This is insane. First, before we show you, I want y'all to guess. Put in the comments what you think the drive shaft length is. So this is the yoke. So the yoke is slid out 1 inch. It's slid out 1 inch out of the back of the transmission. And so the way you measure this, that cap bolts on. So from the center of that cap to the center of that cap, or to the half brake point. It's basically center of the U-joint to the center of the U-joint. Here, let's do this real fast. Y'all gonna flip out when y'all see this. Hang on. All right. All right, guys, so Austin is back there holding it on the face of the half yoke, which you can't really see, but that's where he's at, and I've got it up here. So if you guessed about 34.5 inches, you were correct. And we did check it when we went up and down. Basically, we jacked up the back of the car, and jacking up the back of the car, the rear end come down, and it went into the transmission just a tad. But you can see right on that cap, it's just a little bit less than 34.5. Wow, that is insane. That is less than what I thought. I was thinking it was going to be like 35, 36. 34.5 inches. No, that's right.